You ever sit down to study, highlight every single line in your notes, and you still feel like nothing sticks? You recognize the information when you see it, but the minute that you close your book or you see it on a test, it's like your brain goes blank. That's not because you are bad at studying. It's because your brain isn't being challenged in the right way. And today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, how to actually make what you study stick. And it's called active recall, and it's one of the most simplest but most powerful changes that you can make in the way that you study. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it, how to study less, how to remember more, and how to feel more confident walking into your next exam. Nursing exams ask you if you know how to use the information that you remember to be able to make a safe clinical decision. And active recall is just a fancy way of saying making your brain do the work. It means that you're testing yourself instead of just rereading. But ask yourself, what are the signs of hypokalemia? Then you're going to check your notes and see what you miss. So every time that you make your brain search for the answer, you're strengthening the memory pathway. The harder your brain works to retrieve the information, the stronger that connection gets. And so that's why people who use active recall consistently remember more in less time. Their study sessions actually train their brain to think instead of just recognizing stuff, okay? So active recall, let me tell y'all, or let me tell you, active recall, it changes your confidence. It helps you to actually think like a nurse. When you start recalling the information quickly, your clinical reasoning is going to start to feel natural. That confidence is going to carry over into class discussions, simulations, clinicals, and into your real nursing practice. So if you've been feeling burnt out or if you feel like nothing is sticking, please, please, please don't take that as a sign that you're not capable. You just need a better strategy. So make your brain work for it and watch your confidence grow with every session.